Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with spectroscopy for chemistry. This is the lecture of IR Spectra, lecture number 18, in which I will explain you the breakdown of selection rule. Sometimes selection rule is not obeyed, and in that case what happened? Let us see this one. In the beginning, in the second lecture, I explained you that when two atoms approach each other for formation of bond, then they will come closer and they will reach to different distances like this, at which attraction and repulsions are different. But then this is the distance where attraction and repulsion is equal, which we'll never get. So here what happened, that this molecule vibrate between R1 and R2 distance, and that is known as fundamental vibration. So this is called fundamental vibration. So if we plot a graph of energy versus distance, here we have energy versus distance, then the graph will go like this. From infinite distance, it will reach to a certain level and then reach here and goes like this. So if we consider this distance R1, where repulsion is greater than attraction, and R2, where repulsion is less than attraction, then molecule or atoms within molecule vibrate continuously between these two levels or these two distances, and that is known as fundamental vibration V0 level. Okay, so it is called zero level or ground state. Without absorption of energy, atoms within molecule keep on vibrating between R1 and R2 distance. Okay, so we assume that the average of these two will be R0 distance, where force of attraction and repulsion is equal. When molecule absorb infraradiations, then vibration starts and they may reach to another vibrational level, V1 or first level, where there will be due to absorption of infrared, and they absorb certain amount of radiations or energy. Okay, and that is known as E1. So E1 is the basic amount of energy, or we can say that 0 to 1 is fundamental vibration, and we will consider this as V1. Amount of energy required is E1 or V1. Okay, this way. But every molecule has more than one vibrational levels like this. This may be V2, this may be V3, etc. Okay, and this is second level, this is third level. So normally what happened, that selection rule says that molecule can reach from zero level to first level, or first level to second level, or second level to third level slowly, and that is why we will get fundamental transitions. Okay, and for that we have an equation, and that you will study in molecular spectra. So the equation is delta E vibration is equal to the EV1 minus energy of EV0. Okay, and that is 1 plus 1 half H omega oscillation minus, here it is zero level, so V will be 0, so 0 plus half bracket H omega oscillation. This is the equation to find out energy, and that you will study in molecular spectra. Okay, so this will be equal to H omega oscillation. Okay, so this is what we get it. So the IR frequency corresponding to the above transition, that is 0 to 1, nu bar is equal to delta E vibration upon Hc, that is H omega oscillation upon Hc, which is equal to omega bar oscillation. Okay, here selection rule is delta V is equal to plus or minus 1. That means molecule can vibrate from 0 level to first level, then first level to third level, second level, like that. So in the absorption of radiation, only transition for which delta V is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 can occur. Okay, that is from 0 level to first level, or from first level to second level, likewise. And it is known as selection rule. But since most molecules are not perfect harmonic oscillators, the selection rule breaks down and the transition corresponding to delta V equals to 2 or 3, that is 0 to second level, 0 to third level, etc. occur, which produce lower intensity bands. With different frequency. So here we can see that this is a fundamental vibration. But if molecule absorb more energy and from 0 level it may reach to second level directly from here, then the amount of energy absorbed by molecule is E2, which is different than E1. Even from 0 to third level, is also possible, and that for the energy required for this is E3. Obviously, E1 is not equal to E2 is not equal to E3. So they have different kind of absorption or a different amount of absorption. And here you will observe different vibrational levels or different bands because of absorption of zero energy from 0 to 2 or 0 to 3 or maybe more than that or maybe from 1 to 3 likewise. So there are so many possibilities to observe more than different types of bands because of breakdown of selection rule. Okay, so that's it in this lecture. Thank you so much.